Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 5 of this. And I can't take credit for it. I think the gentleman I'm helping figured it out. But just to give you a little reference what he's having to do, like he needs to change all these 2s to 3s to 4s and, make a page. I'm going to delete these because it really messes with my laptop when I'm trying to do what I'm doing. So he figured out, start with the 0 and use, he didn't tell me this, but I would have to think you're going to use center justified. So all these O's are in the center, but if you had pages and pages of them, so we're going to go to edit and find and replace, and we're going to look for the O's, and we're going to place it with the 1s. Now, the O is perfectly in the center. Well, you know what? The 1's not. But I think all the other letters, let's go with the 5. And then when you click on it, the 5 is in the center. So let's go from 5 to 9. And the 9 is in the center. So the 1 may be the only one. Let's do a 9 to 4. I'm just trying to make some variances. And if we zoom in, it's pretty close. I think it'd be close enough for what he's doing. I was really anxious to see if it was going to be. Tell you what, let's go back to 4 and make them 0s. I wonder if keep continuously doing it, changing the letters from one to another. No, the O is still in the center. Let's try it one more time. Let's go O to 3. You can't even see the X because it's in the way, but yep, it's in the. So anyway, I think we've kind of got it figured out. I'm not entirely happy with the 1, but I don't know what else we could do. And if we look, because the 1 is a strange number. A different font might even be different, than maybe the font that he's using. If I could find a font that maybe doesn't look, maybe have, just a different type. Let's just say, well, that's going to work. So you know what? Let's change this to an O so we can see it and put it in the center. And you don't have to use the find and replace. You can go right here to edit the text, and let's type in 1 now. So it might be variances of texts, the style of text, because that's pretty close to the center. If we left click right, well, it's a little bit off still. But anyway, it's a lot closer than it was. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.